So students, good morning. Again we are going to do our posters, and first type of the poster we have done in our first video. Now this is our second video, and in this second video we are going to do our second type of the poster. I told you there are two types of the poster. First poster is used to raise the social problem, social issues, and second type of the posters are used to promote anything like sports day, okay, exhibition, seminar, etc. So what should we do now? अब हमें करना क्या है? How we can highlight this sports day or any event? Okay, first of all we are going to see the statement. हम statement देख रहे हैं. What is the statement? You are the sports instructor at Sadbhavan Primary School. You are arranging the annual sports day of the school. Design an attractive poster to inform the parents of the students about it. So, first of all, we just have to highlight our topic. What is the topic? Sports day. So, we just have highlighted it by using big font, annual sports day, and write it in capital. Okay, then what is the special feature and which type of the activities we are going to conduct in this sports day? Running, hopping, dancing is the fun, especially when it is done by children of class 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 school is there, so that's why these type of the activities will be conducted during sports day. Okay, so we have highlighted the activities. Next we just have to inform the parents. How we are going to inform the parents in poster? We should inform the parents, dear parents, come to our annual sports day and enjoy all the activities of our students. We are just inviting them, informing them. Okay, next one, date. On which date we are going to conduct this? 6th Feb 2000, whatever year will be going on, we just have to write that. Classes first and second 8:30 am, classes 3 4 5 10 am. So time has been divided in two parts for the various classes. So we are just giving the venue here. Venue, school, day means school campus. At last we are going to write issued by sports instructor Sadbhavan Primary School. So the name is showing that this is primary school, so that's why we just have to include 1 to 5 class only. Okay, so issued by. Next he has used some pictorial thing also. If you are able to draw these type of the pictures, then you should, and if you are not able to draw the pictures, so no need to draw these type of the things. You can use trophy, you can use first, second, third rank, okay, any other thing related to the sport, you can draw that one. You can use any slogan also instead of using this picture. So now after using this slogan or this pictorial thing, now a poster is ready. It is very, you can say, eye catching or impressive. We can draw the attention of the parents that something is going to be conducted in the school. So what is this? Now we can see it very clearly. I hope you got the concept of events or seminar conduction through the posters, how we can highlight it.